Healthier Together, sponsored by Regence Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon.
Well, many cancer patients suffer difficult symptoms and toxic side effects while going through chemotherapy. Now, OHSU researchers are studying how to ease the burden of those treatments. And this week's Healthier Together, Deidre Johnson looks into the symptom science program that helps those with cancer.
Cancer patient Cliff Alexander says he has good days and bad days.
Typical things like, nausea and sleeplessness and all these other things, some pain and things like that.
The symptoms are all common side effects from the cancer treatments to help him feel better. It all started when he went to the doctor for some issues with pain.
He was having some stomach discomfort in October of 2022, and it hadn't gone on very long, but I took him to the ER because we didn't know. It was just weird, and it made him throw up.
During surgery, doctors discovered something more serious.
He had to have a surgery that week to remove a tumor bowel obstruction in his colon. So he has colon cancer, and then it had spread. So he has stage 4 colon cancer.
Cliff began chemotherapy that would cause numbness and tingling in his hands and feet. He would then start a clinical trial at OHSU to help ease his symptoms as part of the symptom science program.
At the OHSU Knight Cancer Institute, we have a very unique program that is dedicated to helping people feel better, improving their quality of life, and really trying to minimize toxicity as they're going through treatment.
According to the American Cancer Society, there have been an estimated 26,200 new cases of cancer and 8,670 deaths from cancer in Oregon this year. Doctors say those statistics prove why the symptom science program is so important.
This type of management is focusing on patients as people and not just tumors, and trying to balance being as aggressive as we can to make sure that cancer is treated and doesn't come back.
By participating in the clinical trials for the new drugs and treatment management, Cliff wants to help others fighting cancer.
That would be my hope. It's just better treatment for the future, because there are going to be many, many, many more people that are going to go through this. And the better we can refine treatment and such, is helpful for everyone.
And says that even though he's battling colon cancer, he's full of hope.
Yeah, I might have worse symptoms tomorrow or maybe a surgery, whatever, but not today. So today is work, today is kids, and life is normal. Today means a lot more.
Deidre Johnson, KGW News.
We wish him and them well for sure. For more information to see all of our Healthier Together stories, visit kgw.com/healthiertogether.